I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, we are making something I have been wanting to make for the longest time. You ready? Custom hair bows. This is custom ribbon and felties that I made on the embroidery machine. So I'm using sublimation and embroidery to make a completely custom bow. So I can't wait to show you how I made these. This is such a fun project, whether you are just wanting to make your daughter some bows or you're wanting to up-level your business and stand out from the crowd with some custom bows. This is an awesome way. So stay tuned to see how I made these. Okay, so a feltie, they use them for planners, pencil toppers, so many things. But when I think of a feltie, I think of a hair bow center. So here's an example. This is like a little feltie. So you cut these out, you embroider it, and then you add, this is a little unicorn 3. You add this to a center of a bow, and you have a custom hair bow. It could have a monogram. You can use felt, you can use like this faux leather, you can use vinyl, you can use so many things. So today we're just gonna use some red felt. This is from Hobby Lobby in the craft section, 79 cents full price. Try to catch it on sale, but this is a thicker version. They have a thinner one, let me show you. They have a 33-cent one. This one is 2 millimeters. And then the 33-cent one is 1 millimeter. Go with the 2 millimeters, it's so plush and thick. So we're gonna make a cute Valentine's feltie, and we're gonna sublimate our own ribbon to make some custom bows. So let's go ahead and get started on the felties, and then we'll do the ribbon. So I'm just gonna be using my 5x5 mighty hoop today, and I'm not even gonna use stabilizer. Let's get the felt hooped. Okay, so we're gonna use our red felt. Again, I'm not gonna use any stabilizer because it's super thick. And we're gonna use the MELCO EMT 16X embroidery machine. You could do these on a single needle, but this is what I'm gonna use. And you could do these on any type of hoop, but I'm using the mighty hoop, 5x5. Okay, I'm gonna be able to fit 2 felties in the 5x5 area, but if you're making batches and selling them, or you're making a whole bunch, you can fit tons on a big hoop. So be mindful, you can batch these. Okay, so there's my design, 2 little love hearts, and I'm just gonna do them in all white because I'm making pigtail bows. Okay, we're gonna use needle 12. It's threaded, ready to go. So now I'm just gonna find my center, trace it out, and we're ready to go. Okay, so it just finished up. These are so cute. They're a little big. They almost are as big as my earrings. Look at that. Adorable. Now, some people do, they'll go back in, depending on the digitizer, they might have an extra stitch here to cover this back part. Not really worried about it because I'm just gonna glue this to a bow. Look how adorable. These are so cute. Okay, let's go ahead and cut these out. So this is what they look like. And there's the back. All right, let's cut them out. Let's see, I'm gonna try to preserve as much as I can of this. And I'm gonna do a rough cut around, and then I'm gonna go back in and be more precise. Okay, so here they are. And now I'm gonna go around and cut as close as I can, but still leave a little border, almost like you would with a beam stitch. Like, you don't want to cut the stitches. Definitely, I don't think I'd trust myself with a rotary cutter. It's better to just get your hands in there. You probably could do these on a silhouette, but it's just as easy to just trim them real quick. Ooh, I have one little pokey part right here. Voila! So I could do some pigtail bows, or just one bow, or 2 different bows with these. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed how to make a feltie. It's super easy. Again, you can make so many different types of felties. They have some super intricate ones with lots of stitches, or simple ones like these. So let me know if you have ever tried a feltie before, and stay tuned for part 2 of how we're gonna sublimate this ribbon to make a custom bow. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. You don't wanna miss out on the upcoming tutorials I have coming up. And until next time, bye for now.